If you're looking for some cute desk decorating ideas, you're gonna love today's video. Hey there, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com. Today, with the help of Cricut, I am going to organize and style my daughter's desk in her bedroom for back to school. We're gonna do some labeling, some personalization. Thanks so much to Cricut for sponsoring today's video. Let's get started. I recently gave my daughter's room a teenager makeover, so we have these beautiful dark charcoal walls and this desk above the loft bed. It's looking rather plain, so let's jazz it up. She loves to draw, she loves to read, and she's going into junior high this year, so that'll be lots of homework and lots of drawing. I want to personalize this desk area with this wall grid, so I'm going to hang it with some sticky hooks right here, using my level just to make sure it's nice and straight, and I'll show you at the end of this video how I'm going to decorate this for my daughter. I thought that this area here looks rather bare, so let's further personalize this for my daughter. I am going to measure it, and I want to create a wall decal here that's about 1 foot by 1 foot. I'm going to use my Cricut Maker 3 to add some personalized and organization items for this desk makeover. The Cricut helps you become more creative, even if you don't think of yourself as a creative person. I highly recommend having one in your crafty arsenal. I'm opening up Cricut Design Space app on my phone, and I found this crystal and moon wall art that I think my daughter will love. She loves collecting crystals, so I'm just making sure it's the right size and sending it to my Cricut Maker 3. Design Space walks you through the whole thing, so it's super easy. I'm going to use removable smart vinyl to make this decal because I want her to be able to remove it if she changes tastes, which she kind of likes to do sometimes, and she wants to remove it and put something else on. Now that the Cricut has finished cutting, I'm just removing or weeding any of the excess vinyl, applying some transfer tape, and then I'm carefully removing the backing off. So now I have this beautifully cut decal that I'm applying to the wall, just applying it right here, removing the transfer tape, and it turned out so cute. I think having some good desk organization is so important in creating a nice aesthetic looking desk. I found this little unit that would be perfect for little A's pens and pencils, etc. Measuring it out, and then I found some more crystal themed art. I'm creating a square that's the same size as the top of my unit, putting this art over top, and then selecting them all, and then using the slice feature to make a perfectly sized square. Now I'm using one of my new favorite fonts. This is the BFC Nicola font from Cricut, and creating a couple labels for the drawers on the organizer. I'm making sure these are the right size for the drawers. I'm going to make them white vinyl and the other element black vinyl, making sure to attach the words so that they cut all as one piece, and sending this to my Maker 3. I'm also going to use some removable smart vinyl for this. Smart vinyl is so fantastic because you don't need to use a mat to use this. It can go right in your Cricut Maker 3 or your Cricut Explore 3. Once that's all cut, I'm just removing all the excess, weeding it away with my Cricut tool. And then I'm applying some more transfer tape, smoothing that on, and removing the backing. Now I'm taking this cute little crystal design and applying it to the top of the organizer just to continue personalizing this for my daughter. I love when you can come up with a fun theme that matches your child's personality, or if you're doing a desk for yourself, your own personality, and just add so many elements to really coordinate to that theme. Now I'm applying the little labels I created with my Cricut to the drawers so that everything is nice and organized for my daughter. Now let's stock up this organizer so she's ready for homework and art. Cords and cables are often a huge problem when it comes to desk design, so I'm going to create a really fun, beautiful way to organize all of my daughter's cords and chargers. I'm creating some more labels with that favorite font from Cricut in Design Space, just typing out the words, sending them to my Maker 3, and then applying them with removable smart vinyl to these clear pencil cases. I found this cord wrap project right in Cricut Design Space so easy, so I'm going to make this, but rather than making it out of fabric, which you can actually cut with the Maker 3, I'm going to cut it onto some faux leather. This way I don't have to do any sewing. I'm putting the faux leather onto a Cricut mat with some painter's tape just to make sure it stays in place. My Cricut's cutting out my strap pieces. Then I'm taking some hook and loop tape that just has a nice sticky backing on it, cutting it into 1-inch squares and applying it to the top and bottom of these cutout straps. Now I can wrap up any charging cords or cables and secure them with this cute strap and place them in the labeled bags. This way everything is nice and organized for my daughter, and it's a cute way to keep everything neat and tidy. This is definitely my favorite system to keeping all of those pesky chargers and cords in one spot. Now let's continue finishing up this desk. I'm putting some of Little A's own artwork and photos on this grid wall. Then I'm just using some adhesive hooks and applying some string lights for some ambience. Putting up her headphones with a hook on the wall, adding a faux plant, her laptop, and her sketchbook, and this little aesthetic makeover is all done. As a reminder, here's what Little A's desk looked like before, and here it is now, all ready for back to school, nice and organized and personalized to suit her style. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful and inspiring as you organize your desk for back to school or any time of the year. Let me know down in the comments below which of these projects was your favorite, and I'm gonna leave another video for you to watch next with some beautiful wedding and party decor ideas right up here.